Hello kids. Today we learn about farm animals. Let's start.
Dog. This is a dog. Sheep. This is a sheep. Cow. This is a cow.
Bull. This is a bull. Camel. This is a camel. Goat. This is a goat.
Cat. This is a cat.
Donkey. This is a donkey. Pig. This is a pig. Rabbit. This is a rabbit. Duck. This is a duck. Horse. This is a horse. Chicken. This is a chicken. Chick. This is a chick. Buffalo. This is a buffalo. Peacock. This is a peacock.
Dog.
Llama. This is a llama. Yak. This is a yak. Ostrich. This is ostrich. Mouse. This is a mouse. Turkey. This is a turkey. Llama.